These recipes come together in under 45 minutes, whether you're looking for a quick on the go weekday meal or a weekend treat, whether you like it saucy or on the dry side, honey, let's make them. For the saucing wings, you're gonna begin by seasoning your chicken wings with the spices on the screen, and you're gonna go ahead and heat up some oil and deep fry until golden brown on each side. This takes about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how well done you like your chicken wings. Go ahead and deep fry until golden brown to your liking, and we're going to take them out, put them on a paper towel or on a wire rack if you want to keep the crispiness, and you're going to set them aside while we work on the sauce. The base of our sauce is an ultra creamy mayonnaise. The sauce is fatty, it's delicious, and we're going to reduce it down to a chutney consistency. You're gonna add your mayonnaise, your sweet chili sauce. You can decide whether you want to use sweet chilies or pepper dew peppers. That also works with the juice as well. You can also use Worcestershire sauce or soy sauce, whatever you have at hand, and any chili sauce you like. I love the Bushveld Braai sauce from Nandos. It's absolutely amazing. Then you're going to add some finely chopped red peppers. That's just going to be the aesthetic. It's going to look so beautiful once we coat our chicken wings in there. You're going to mix your sauce until it comes together. I love the color. We want to cook the sauce on medium low heat until it has reduced to a consistency resembling a chutney like. This takes about 10 to 12 minutes on medium low heat. Going to go ahead and season some fresh cracked black pepper. You want to continue reducing the sauce on medium or low heat until it resembles this beautiful bronze looking caramelized color. It's beautiful. You're going to add a splash of lemon juice and mix it in there. For a pop of color and zest for flavor, you're gonna go ahead and add some fresh chopped parsley as well, just to give it that fresh taste. Then you're going to finish off the sauce by adding a blob of salted or unsalted butter, just to give it that shiny beautiful finish that we love. Okay, then once the sauce has mixed together with the butter, you're gonna go ahead and add your chicken wings, coat them in there. If you want them saucy, you're just going to briefly toss them in the sauce. If you want them a little bit stickier, then you're going to reduce or low heat until the sauce is nice and sticky on the chicken wings. These chicken wings are just scrumptious, and warning, everybody is going to love them in your household, and you're going to be famous for this recipe because it's that good. Finger licking good. You can serve these with some savory rice or some mashed potatoes. I will leave all the links to those recipes in the description box down below, or in the comments. I will be sure to leave the links in there. Beautiful. For this one, we are going to basically marinate our chicken wings with everything, honey. This one I love because it's effortless. If you are a mom of how many, you're tired from work, you just want something to whip up together, mix it and forget about it, this is the recipe, honey. You're gonna mix all the ingredients that you see on the screen. I will list all the ingredients again in the description box down below, so you can check them out with the measurements. Then you want to mix everything in there, the sauces, the spices, marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take that well. Then we're gonna go ahead and cook them on the stove top. If you're pressed for time, you're going to go ahead and marinate these chicken wings for a minimum 10 minutes and you can start to cook them. But if you have a little bit of time on your hands, you can go ahead and marinate them for about 2 hours, 3 hours, or overnight. To cook them, you're going to add some oil onto your pot, let it heat up, and you're going to add your chicken wings. You want to arrange your chicken wings in a single file so that nothing is on top of each other. You want those chicken wings to have contact with the bottom of the pan. That's going to allow for a beautiful, even caramelization of each wing. Once the sauces start bubbling, you're gonna go ahead and close the pot, let it simmer so that we cook the chicken wings on the inside before we want to caramelize them and make them look like you made them in the oven while you make them on the stovetop. This is what we are looking for. It's not there yet, but it's getting there. You're going to go ahead and toss your chicken wings, and for this time, you're going to cook them uncovered until the sauce is reduced and sticky on the wings. This is how they look that after about 15 to 20 minutes, honey. As you can see, the sauce has reduced. The chicken wings are looking so beautiful. And if you're somebody that doesn't like saucy chicken wings, then this is perfect for you because all the sauce is sticky on the chicken wings, honey. This is the recipe. It's delicious, it's beautiful. You're gonna plate it up, make sure to add a pop of color and some fresh flavor with some garnish of your fresh parsley or fresh coriander, honey. Then you are ready to indulge. As always, you can serve these with a savory rice, with some mashed potatoes, honey, some grilled vegetables, with a beautiful salad on the side. It doesn't really matter as long as you enjoy with your family and you put those smiles on their faces. And that's it. You are a kitchen hero in under an hour. That's it for now, guys. Please like and share the video. Comment down below and show me some love, and I'll show you back some love. And I hope to see you on the next one.